Okay, every tutorial I've seen has always been absolutely ridiculous and fast. So let's start at the basics. They call this a skein, one skein of yarn. I don't call it this. This is one thing of yarn. I got this at Hobby Lobby for like $2 on sale. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna show you two things and how I learned. I'm using a 5.5. I got this also from Hobby Lobby. It's the more ergonomic one, but we can learn how to make a magic circle as well as just a chain. So I am right-handed, so we're gonna take the yarn for the magic circle, go like this, hold it with your thumb, and we're gonna do this really slow. Take it over your index finger, middle, turn it, go like this. It's gonna form an X. Boom, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna do this again. Take this, because I'm right-handed, try to put it about 3/4 of the way of your index finger, wrap around your middle. We're gonna go diagonal. Turn, make sure your hands turn like this, wrap like this, boom. That's what it looks like a little X on the back, and looks like that. Now, to form the magic circle, we're gonna take this, we're gonna go through the first loop, hook the second, okay? So again, it's an X on this end. We're gonna go through the first, hook the second, pull it, I turn it to make a little loop like that. Just in case you missed that, we're gonna push that back. That's fine, we can do that. Grab it underneath, pull, loop it, take your hook, twist it, like so. And then the other thing I see is, this is your working yarn. So just grab your yarn, you're gonna go over here, like so. Let's try to move it so you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, grab this. This is technically your working yarn. And if you don't believe me, right there. So this is your working yarn. Make sure to keep a little tension on it. But we're gonna grab that. Grab the loop. You see the first loop? And we're going to pull it through. Oh, I put too much tension. Make sure to be wary of your tension. But boom. That is how to make the magic circle. Now, I can show you again, because it took me multiple tries to learn the magic circle. You're gonna take your yarn, up, down, over, like so. Take your hook under the first, grab the second, pull, twist, go up, grab the working yarn like so, grab and slip it through. That is your magic circle. Voila. Now, how do we build onto this? Good question. Grab your working yarn. I like to kind of wrap it around my fingers. Make sure that this stays right here, but we can go like this. You're gonna grab your hook with tension. I'll grab this side too so it doesn't move. Gonna go under, grab the working yarn, pull it, grab the working yarn again, and pull. And that's how you got your first link. I'm gonna do this again. We're gonna go under, grab, and go back, under, grab like so, and we're going to pull through the 2 loops. You're always going to have one single loop, okay? Show you how mine are. Grab it, pull, pinch. Make sure you're not pinching too hard, otherwise you're not going to be able to slip it through the loops. But there you go. Okay, so we're going to do this again. Now if you need to, hold this. Only worry about this and hold this. Okay, go under, grab the working yarn, pull it through. You see there's 2, 1, 2. We're going to grab the working yarn. Now you have 3. We're going to pull that through the 2 loops like so. Boom. That is what that looks like. This is what they say when it looks like a V. So this is from the side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do one more. I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna go under, grab the working yarn, pull it through, grab the working yarn, and put it through the 2 loops. Now there's 6. Now here's what we can do. We can pull the string. Make sure to add some tension so you don't kind of mess it up. I don't know if it will, but pull the string and boom. That's what that looks like. I'm going to pull this. This string kind of becomes irrelevant, but that's what that looks like. We're going to find the very first loop, which is right there. Now we're going to close it even more. Okay. So that's the very first loop. Make sure you're in there through the loop, closing the circle, and we're going to go in. What's wrong? We're going to go through, and then we're going to go through. And that's how you close it.